Niche Psychology presents 6 Best Foods to Boost Brain Power and Improve Memory. 1. Blueberries. These berries are antioxidant powerhouses, shielding the mind from oxidative harm and pressure that result in untimely aging. B. The flavonoids in blueberries additionally enhance the communique among neurons, which results in progressed reminiscence. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil incorporates medium-chain triglycerides that the frame makes use of for energy, leaving glucose for the mind. B. It additionally appears to have a useful impact on blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol. C. Eating a healthy, balanced weight reduction plan that consists of those 10 mind-boosting ingredients will assist hold your reminiscence, awareness as sharp as can be. 3. Nuts. Especially walnuts and almonds, they're a number of the pleasant mind-boosting ingredients at the planet, and they're notable for the worried machine too. B. Nuts are a first-rate supply of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, nutrition B6, and nutrition E, C, which has been proven to enhance mind energy and save you many varieties of dementia through shielding the mind from loose radicals. 4. Seeds. Sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds especially, are first-rate for the mind. B. They include a wealthy blend of protein, omega fatty acids, and B vitamins. C. Eating a handful of seeds each day may even offer each day encouraged quantity of zinc, that could assist decorate reminiscence and questioning skills. 5. Beets. One of the best approaches to growth mind energy evidently is to consist of extra beets on your weight reduction plan. B. They're excessive in nitrates, which assist growth blood flow and elements of the mind associated with government functioning. C. Beets additionally include masses of nutrition B9, that could usefully resource cognitive functioning and postpone dementia. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli isn't always most effective a superfood for the entire frame, it's additionally one of the pleasant ingredients to enhance mind energy and enhance your reminiscence. B. It's wealthy in calcium, nutrition C, B vitamins, iron, fiber, and nutrition K. If you have enjoyed the content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.